What does it mean?
We don't have.
I'm Galle. I'm Director of Research and Innovation at Rambase.
And my name is Kamil Polikiewicz. I'm Development Manager for Platform and Operations team.
Yeah, we started working together and it has turned out really great. There's a reason for us to still stay in this collaboration. It's because it has been very good for us all these years. I think AI will change the way we work quite drastically, because AI is not a tool that we can optionally use, it's a tool that we have to use in our everyday work as developers. I think I'm glad to see that 99X is picking up AI, that they have knowledge, that they start using the tools. That's important for us, and I think it's important for 99X as well. Just an unforgettable moment some days ago, Kamil. Then we were in this
in the jungle.
Hotel in the jungle. Then we opened the gate to the hotel, and it was like a scene from Jurassic Park. This gigantic gates that you open, and you went up to this hotel and you saw out over the jungle there. That was maybe one of the best experiences we had with
Oh, definitely.
Team building activity.
Fantastic impression on Sri Lanka in general and its beauty of nature, and yeah. For me as well, it would be actually this go-karting tour we took I think 2 trips back. That was really fun activity as well, like a lot of competition between all of us. That was really fun. It's going very well. We had, first of all, a lot of very interesting technical conversations and workshops. And actually, my main goal was to actually take the whole team all together, so we can understand the way moving forward as team, not as singular sub-teams or individual developers. So, and of course, around those workshops, we had some time out all together. So some team building activities, which was super fun, especially golfing to very many. It was the first time experience, and it was a lot of fun.
Mata, miris, kanna bä.
Marta, henüz kanna bä.
Miris.
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 Kanna
Kanna
bä.
bä. What does it mean?
We don't have.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Yeah?
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Good.
Okay, so one in Norwegian then. Jeg elsker å kode.
Jeg elsker å kode.
Yeah. Means I love to code.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, good. Good.
How
How's your team progressing so far?
Very well. It's the best team in the world.
Oh,